How to post collage on Instagram. So, if you've seen other people posting fun collages on their Instagram stories and you wanna learn how to do the same, I'm gonna show you how. Firstly, let's open up the app. Now tap your story in the top left to create new story. From here, you can select background for your story, or if you want to create like a solid color, then you can take a photo right now. I'm gonna take it black. And to change color of the background, I'm gonna tap on this pen line. So on the drawing. From here, press and hold colors on the bottom to find the palette and choose light pink, for example. Now to change the color of the background, I just need to press and hold it. And now it is changed, so I'm gonna tap done. Now let's add photos here as a collage. For that, I'm gonna click little sticker icon, this smiley face on the top, and choose photo from the list of other options. Then just go for your camera roll and find photo, which would be your main photo. For example, I'm gonna use this cat. And what you can do next is you can change the shape. So click on it once and start clicking until you find the perfect shape for this picture. I'm gonna use just the circle and adjust it to the cat's face. Click done. This is how it looks. After that, you can just do the same basically, so you can start adding different photos to this collage. Let's use this one and make it a heart shape, just like that. Click done. And now you can also use pinch gesture with your two fingers to resize the object. And also you can just rotate it like that and drag to any other place on the photo. Let's add some more, for example, this one, Labubu as well. And let's make it like a star. I'm gonna also make it smaller and drag to the bottom. Let's rotate it as well. And add some more. Let's add two more. And also change their shape. For example, this one. Click done. Drag to the bottom right. And one more to go. Let's just click on it to change the shape. Let's use this flower shape. Click done and drag to the top. Great. Now what else you can do is you can press and hold on your main photo. In my case, it's the cat's face. So you can press and hold it and you can drag it to the bottom or to the top to change the layout. Just take a look at other pictures. As you can see, they can like change the layout. So I can make them at the bottom or at the top of my main photo. I'm gonna make them like this. After that, of course, you can add some links if you want to. You can add any text. Let's add text, for example. I'm gonna just add follow our channel. Not like that, just like that. Now I'm just gonna change the background color of this text and drag it to the top. And this is the result. Just tap your story at the bottom and the story will be posted. Also, another way how you can make a collage is you can go back to your story and click layout on the left side of the screen. If you want to, you can also tap to change the grid style, the grid size, just like that. And you can either take photos right now to this collage, or you can swipe up to your gallery and choose photos manually for this collage. Then click this check mark to save changes and also post to your story. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.